ഒന്നാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. വിച്ച് എംബ്രോയ്ഡറി സ്റ്റിച്ച് ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ് ഫോർ ഗാവന്തി? കസൂട്ടി. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 2. വിച്ച് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫേമസ് ഫോർ ഫുൾക്കാരി എംബ്രോയ്ഡറി? ആൻസർ പഞ്ചാബ്. വിച്ച് സ്റ്റിച്ച് ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ് ഫോർ ഔട്ട്ലൈൻ ഡിസൈൻ സ്റ്റിച്ച്? ആൻസർ റണ്ണിംഗ് സ്റ്റിച്ച്. ഫോർത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. വിച്ച് ത്രെഡ് ആൻഡ് ഫാബ്രിക് ആർ യൂസ്ഡ് ഇൻ ദ ചിക്കൻ കറി വർക്ക്? ആൻസർ വൈറ്റ് ത്രെഡ് ആൻഡ് മസ്ലിൻ ഫാബ്രിക്. ഫിഫ്ത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. വിച്ച് ത്രെഡ് ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ് ഫോർ ടെമ്പററി സ്റ്റിച്ച്? ആൻസർ കോൺട്രാസ്റ്റ് കളർ ത്രെഡ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. വിച്ച് സ്റ്റിച്ച് ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ് ഫോർ കാന്ത എംബ്രോയ്ഡറി? ആൻസർ റണ്ണിംഗ് സ്റ്റിച്ച്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. ലോങ് ആൻഡ് ഷോർട്ട് സ്റ്റിച്ച് ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ് ഫോർ? ആൻസർ ഷെയ്ഡഡ് എംബ്രോയ്ഡറി. നെക്സ്റ്റ്. യൂസിങ് ഹെറിംഗ്ബോൺ സ്റ്റിച്ച് ഫോർ joining to finished raw edge decoratively is known as? Answer fagoting. Next. Elonged chain stitch used to work petals and small flowers and leaves? Answer lacy daisy. Next question. Open chain stitch made in the shapes of V? Answer fly stitch. Next question. Techniques of applying one fabric to another in a decorative manner? Answer applique work. Next question. Which stitch is used for eyelet hole? Answer buttonhole. Next. Which stitch is invisible stitch? Answer slip. Next. Which stitch is suitable for machine stitch? Answer back stitch. Next question. Which thread is used for Chinese embroidery? Answer silk. Next question. What is the use of thread cutter? Answer trimming. Next. Which tool is used to draw right angle? Answer Taylor square. Next question. Which tool is help draw neck and armhole shapes? Answer French curve. Next question. A protective cover used for pointed finger while using to stitch hand stitch? Answer finger shield. Next question. Which tool is used for placing, positioning marks on cutting pattern, balance mark and seam allowance? Answer notcher. Next. Which tool is used for opening up the machine stitch? Answer seam ripper. Next. Dash used for ironing pile fabric? Answer needle board. Next. 1 feet is dash? Answer 12 inch. Next question. Which tool is used for cutting zigzag profile? Answer pinking scissor. Next. Name the middle part of hand needle? Answer stem. Next. Remedies for machine runs heavily? Answer oil the machine periodically. Next. Which machine is used to stitch at the edge of pocket, flap, belt carrier? Answer bar tacking. Next. Which hold the needle at one end with the help of the clamp? Answer needle bar. Next. Which part engages and disengages the stitching mechanism? Answer stop motion screw. Next. What is the reason for fabric puckering? Answer one or both tension too tight. Next. Which machine is used for embroidery work? Answer zigzag. Next. Which part help to move the cloth forward while sewing? Answer feed dog. Next. Which machine is used for top stitching? Answer double needle. Next. Which machine is used for bottom finishing in t-shirt? Answer flat lock. Next question. Reason for needle breaking? Answer too little pressure on presser foot. Next question. Which of the following statements about natural fiber is true? Answer. Natural fibers can be produced by geological processes, plants and animals. What term is used to describe natural fibers that are of short length? Answer. Staples fiber. Which characteristics of a fiber refers to its ability to maintain its appearance and shape after repeated laundry? Answer. Durability. Which of the following is an example of a synthetic fiber? Answer. Nylon. Which characteristics of fabric describes its surface finish and influences its aesthetics and functionality? Answer. Appearance. Next, when selecting fabric for a winter coat, which characteristics would be most important? Answer. Insulation. Next, what is a crucial factor to consider when selecting fabric for athletic wear? Answer. Flexibility. Which natural fiber is obtained from the flax plant? Answer. Linen. Next, fabric flexibility is influenced by? Answer. Fiber type. Next, rayon fiber is derived from? Answer. Wood pulp. Which among the following is also a decorative seam and is used for making collars of shirts? Answer. Corded seam. A seam that is seen twice with the first line of stitching visible on the right side of the fabric is? Answer. Flat fell seam. Which type of dart is often used in tailored garments to shape the neckline or collar area? Answer. Collar dart. Next question. Which type of dart is often used in tailored trousers to provide shaping around the hip and thigh area? Answer. Hip dart. Last question. What is the primary difference between a French dart and a regular burst dart? Answer. French darts are sewn diagonally, while regular burst dart are vertical. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ആദ്യത്തെ 50 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ബാലൻസ് 50 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.